and gentlemen, welcome back to Wild. Today we are talking about that's a whole $6 more. Woman issues PSA to Chipotle customers who order through Postmates Doordash. So as we all know, we operate on a luxury service, and that being said, some people don't like the idea that it actually costs more to have something delivered to you. So with that said, I actually want to go over everything that's being said in this article, how it actually is for gig workers and customers and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Chipotle, the popular fast food restaurant chain known for its customizable burritos, bowls, and tacos, is one of the go-to options for people looking for a quick and tasty meal. With the rise of food delivery apps like Postmates, DoorDash, and Uber Eats, it's easier than ever to get your Chipotle fix without leaving your home. Yeah, as long as you're able to tip your driver, then it is much easier to get the fast casual food these days as well. I know that some people actually prefer that because the lines at Chipotle could be insane. However, with the restaurant prices rising, people are looking for more budget-friendly ways to order food. Recently, a viral TikTok has shown that using the Chipotle app might be the cheapest way to go, even when ordering delivery. So there are multiple ways DoorDash drivers can actually receive orders, and one of them is through DoorDash's white label program, or as I like to call it, acting as a fourth-party app. And because they're acting as a white label program, the way we receive the orders is slightly different. Normally, customers would go through DoorDash. DoorDash would send the order to Chipotle to actually complete the order. While that's happening, the DoorDash driver would receive the order because it's already in the delivery pool. We get to the restaurant and then we head our way to the customer. In this case, the customer orders through the Chipotle app. The Chipotle app outsources the delivery to DoorDash, usually with a delay because they're smart and they want to actually be able to complete the order. The order goes into the delivery pool, the driver gets the order, picks up the order from the Chipotle, and then we head to the customer. In this case, Chipotle ends up saving a lot of money because instead of the initial 30%, I think it's like 15% per order, which is a significant amount over time. The video, which has been viewed over 242,700 times, showed TikTok user Patrice at Pyt.patrice comparing these prices of her order on the Chipotle app versus the same order on the third-party delivery apps. She discovered that ordering directly from the Chipotle app saved her a significant amount of money, even factoring in the delivery fee. The things you do for content, huh? I'm going to leave her TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. And she's absolutely right. Because they're not charged as much, they're not passing as much of the charge to the customer, therefore ends up saving the customer more money that way. I don't know who needs to hear this, but if you're ordering Chipotle, stop using DoorDash, stop using Postmates, stop using Uber Eats, just use the effing Chipotle app, Patrice said. This S is $13.94 on the Chipotle app. Postmates trying to charge me $19.04. That's a whole $6 more. Again, most of that charge is not being passed to the customer because it's not as expensive. That being said, I don't know how much the Chipotle app is going to have you tip the driver, which is a completely different conversation, but yeah, this can be a cheaper option for you. As the video switched from a Postmates to a DoorDash checkout screen, she added DoorDash took off $2.99, but that price would have been damn near $17 for the same S I'm paying $13 for. So that's an extra $4. Instead of using DoorDash, instead of using Postmates, UberEats, Grubhub, you can actually use the Chipotle app. She's actually pretty smart. This revelation may surprise many people who assume that ordering through third-party apps is the most convenient and cost-effective way to get food delivered. However, these apps typically charge different service fees, which can add up over time. Bold of you to assume that ordering anything is supposed to be considered cost-effective. This is a luxury service, so it's not meant to be cost effective. Are there ways that people can order food delivery and have it cost less? Of course, using the actual restaurant's app or website will actually save you a significant amount more, but still. The viral video sparked a discussion in the comment section, with many users sharing their experiences and tips for saving money on food delivery. One user pointed out that the Chipotle app, which also allows you to use rewards, which can save you even more money on your order, they wrote. And y'all can use the rewards. Y'all really ain't know this? That's true, because there are some apps that actually have a reward system integrated with it. You can actually gain points, which would over time be more cost efficient for you. There was a time where Uber actually had their own reward system, but unfortunately they ended it not too long ago. So now it actually makes more sense to use these restaurant-based apps so that way you can save money and keep gaining those rewards and actually use them. Another user had a similar point. You'll get rewards/points. I stopped using DoorDash delivery. I only use it to do pickups now. Yeah, and because of that, there's even less of a charge. This is really good money saving tips. I'm glad I did this one. I was skeptical at first. Now, of course, it's not going to be cheaper than just going to a grocery store, but with grocery prices the way they are now, I don't even think that's a bad idea either. Other commenters pointed out that this tip also applies to other restaurants and food chains that have their own apps, one user mentioned. Same with Panera, another commented. Same with Wendy's. I didn't know Wendy's had their own app, actually. I knew Panera did. I didn't know Wendy's did. So maybe one of the better things you could do is whatever restaurant you're going to, see if they have a rewards program ahead of time. Because that way you could save more money with the loyalty depending on how much you actually like it. This goes for any place that has an app, to be honest, a further user pointed out. Took the words right out of my mouth. Of course, there may be times when using a third-party app is more convenient, such as when you're ordering from multiple restaurants or when you want to take advantage of a special promotion. However, it's worth considering restaurant apps first if you're looking to save money on your deliveries. As shown in the TikTok, many restaurants offer free delivery or lower fees when you order directly through their app, making it a more affordable option for frequent customers. Yeah, if you're using an app like Doordash UberEats Grubhub for like a select couple of restaurants that have an app, then maybe it would be a better idea to see if they have a rewards program so you can save money that way. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. Honestly, I think it is probably one of the smarter things to do if you're ordering on DoorDash or Uber Eats or Grubhub to see if there is a cheaper option. And obviously, pickup is going to be cheaper than delivery, and getting your own food from the grocery store is going to be cheaper than all of that. But the idea is if you still want delivery and you're ordering McDonald's or Burger King, Wendy's, Panera, Chipotle, fast casual places with their own app and their own reward system, it may be wise to actually save money and just do it this way. All in all, good on this customer for revealing this to everybody so that way people can save a significant amount of money on delivery while still getting the delivery they actually want and maintaining that level of convenience. Just make sure to tip your drivers though. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!